All right, so this is the video directions for exploring a variation and distribution in the sim. Okay, so this is our first time getting this sim. So first of all, this sim takes forever to load. It's a really good sim. It has a lot of stuff. It takes forever to load. And apparently it's struggling. Okay, so get it loading. There's just a while, and then it is going to ask you if you are on an iPad, and so you're going to say no. I'm going to go back here and look at the directions while it loads. So complete each mission below by adjusting the trait level and variation sliders. Zoom in to the environment to observe the individual organisms. And then what you're going to do in each box here is you're going to write the steps you took to set up the missions. We're just practicing using the tools in the sim is really all we're doing today and getting used to the stuff. If you notice here, it's going to have everything spelt wrong because these are all three made-up organisms. So it's not that Ms. Hayes misspelled it. That would normally happen. But we have the plant, the thorn palm we're going to look at. We're going to look at the australope. Notice mission 1 through 4 is the mandatory. That's what you're going to need to do for credit. But I have a few more that are extra credit if you get to that point where you're looking more at the australope and then the Carthenon. It'll make more sense once we get in here. Okay, so first of all, you can press like the zoom in and we can see. So these plants are the thorn palms. This is the australope. And then I can like zoom in more and move around. This is the Carthenon. You can like actually click on them and like look around. Okay. All right, so tips. It is not necessary to enter, run, or analyze to complete these missions. You can turn off organisms that are not investigating by pressing the include thorn palms, australope, and Carthenon toggles. So let me show you what that means. We do not need to go to run and analyze on today. We are just practicing using this. So where I should be in is explore variation over here. It should automatically take you to that one. Okay, and our first mission here is set up a thorn palm population where all the thorn palms have medium thorns. So over here, I'm going to click on the thorn palm. So and notice it gives me the idea for, or the trait for height. And I don't care about height for that one. I care about the thorn size. So, and then I can go to thorn size here, right? That's what I was trying to do. So it said medium thorns. So to me, medium would be like a 4 or 5, probably a 5. So I'm going to move that here. And that's all I have to do for that one. Okay. So, and then I'm going to write down here what I did. The next one is I'm going to set up a thorn palm population where the thorn palms have many different thorn sizes. So they're all the same thorn size. So if I want lots of different ones, I want a lot of variation. I want lots of differences. So I'm going to use this toggle down here to kind of move it. So now I have thorn palms with all different sizes. I can just click next if I want. It's going to give me, and then I can look down here and I can look like this one. It is a 6. It has 6 for the thorn size. This one's 6. Let's see if I can find any more that are not a 6. That one's a, oh, why does it not let me pick that? I don't know. That one's a 6. That's a 7. That's a 3. So notice that they're all different thorn sizes. And then the thorn is like the prickly thing on the plant. All right. The next one I need to do is set up a thorn palm population that has many short thorn palms, a few medium thorn palms, and no tall thorn palms. All right, so that means I'm going to mess with the height. So I'm going to go back to my thorn palm. I'm going to look at height, and it said I already forgot. With many short, a few medium, and no tall. All right. So short. So that to me looks like that, right? With many short, a few medium, and no tall. So there's no tall, there's no tens, there's some medium, but there's a lot more short. That's what I would do. And so I'm going to write down what I just did, goes in the box. Then I'm going to set up an australope population that has blue, green, and yellow australopes. So I don't care about thorn palms this time. I'm going to go to, and I can actually just turn the thorn palms off if I want. And I can go to the australope. And this is the fur, but I want fur color. So I wanted all the different colors. So I'm going to go to change my variation. And notice I have yellow, blue, and green that I see here. Okay, so those are the ones, again, you just write in the box what you did to change. So like what sliders, what things did you change over here? That's all we're doing today. And then you could go on and do extra credit and do missions 5, 6, and 7. All right, that is this assignment.